In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the email linked to your Whop account. Whether you're switching to a new email provider or just want to keep things organized, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Whop's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from this drop-down menu, select View Profile. This action will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see all sorts of personal information associated with your Whop account. Now, locate the Edit Profile button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to spot. Click on Edit Profile to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Edit section, look for the Account Security option. This is a crucial area where you can manage various security settings linked to your account, including your email address. Click on Account Security to continue. Now that you're in the Account Security section, you'll see your current email address displayed. Next to it, there should be an option that says Change. Click on Change to begin the process of updating your email. After clicking Change, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors, as this will become the primary email linked to your account. Once you've entered the new email, follow any additional prompts that may appear, such as verifying your new address through a confirmation email that Whop might send to your new email address. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated the email linked to your Whop account. Remember, keeping your email address current is important for receiving notifications and ensuring the security of your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Whop's support team for assistance. They're there to help you with any technical difficulties or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.